Hello from Fort Myers, Florida. Today we're going to be taking a look at our 2021 Sea Ray 230 SPX outboard boat. This boat, as you can see, has a black bimini top, and it also has a bright blue hull, making it easy for your friends or family to spot you on the water. You'll notice that this boat is outfitted with a black Mercury Verado engine. You'll also see that this boat has sea decking in a gray color, which makes for a really nice color combination with the blue hull and the gray. I really like sea deck because it keeps you from burning your feet or getting too hot, and it also does not bleach from too much sun. One of my favorite features about this boat is this sun pad on the back. You can either have it lying flat to catch some sun and get a good tan, or this seat lifts up and you can be sitting facing backwards if you prefer. As we enter the boat, you'll notice that this boat has Sea Ray's classic L-shaped seating. There's plenty of storage underneath these seats. You can fit a cooler underneath here to keep that out of the way. Plenty of cup holders. This seat I really like because you can either make it so you're facing forward and then you have the entertaining in the back, or it can articulate, making it a flat area, to either lay down and take a nap, or if you have kids on board, they can lay down as well. Okay, now we're facing the front of the boat. You'll see the captain's chair can swivel back and forth. Here we have the Helm Station. This boat is equipped with Simrad, the Fusion radio. Over here, we have a head, which is great to have in case you have an emergency. Facing forward, we have all this great seating up front. We have the anchor over here. Again, it's just a really nice boat for Southwest Florida boating. So if you would like information on this boat or any others, please call us here at MarineMax in Fort Myers at 239-481-8200.